Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more work from home job leads for you. Today's job leads are from the huge coffee chain Starbucks. I just thought today I would do a little bit of something different. From time to time, I like to mix up things on this channel. I'm always trying to provide job leads that are helpful to everyone. So I try to do a little bit of healthcare, non-phone, some customer service that's not in healthcare, data entry. Most positions that I share don't require any kind of college degree because I do try to gear my videos towards things that most people will qualify for. But occasionally I like to mix it up with some of those fancier positions. But with that being said, we're going to dive all in. As always, the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now this page right here is a link down in the YouTube description box for you. It is already going to be filtered for you to the remote positions. So you might want to bookmark that link, and every time you open it up, if Starbucks has any new remote positions open, it'll go ahead and filter and search for you. Right now, at the time of filming this video, Starbucks has 22 remote positions open. So if the two that I'm sharing today are not of interest to you, you might want to come click this link and see if there's anything else that's currently open that is interest to you. They have investigators, they have engineers, they have business operations, they have all kind of positions open. But the two that I'm going to share today, the first one is a project manager over training and resources. Now this is remote for the United States only. It is for their global talent acquisitions department. Pay range for this position is anywhere from $76,400 a year all the way up to $129,700 a year. But they are looking for a project manager to manage their recruitment, training, and resource efforts. You'll work projects and work streams including establishing new recruiting training programs at scale, creating a system that provides clear visibility for Starbucks training needs, and launching new projects as they arise. You'll manage the new and existing projects using the project management lifecycle and available Starbucks methodologies. You'll provide formal project updates and deliver on program outcomes defined by the stakeholders. You'll design new rhythm and business processes and procedures that continue to deliver improvement for Starbucks. Now, if you're interested in this position, they're looking for somebody who has 3 or more years experience in project management, somebody who has 2 years experience managing large-scale projects, someone who has general business experience, and they do prefer a 4-year degree, but PMP is considered. Now, this next position is in the Human Resources Department. They are looking for a director of their partner resources for the human resources to maintain their retail partner resources. Again, this is remote for the United States. The pay range for this position, since it is a director position, is quite high. It starts out at $147,800 a year and can go all the way up to $261,000 a year. But as a partner resource or HR, you'll lead the resource organization in developing and driving talent priorities that fuel business growth. So you'll partner with leadership to develop a comprehensive approach to talent aligned to the business strategy and the future of workforce needs. You'll lead the organization in effective strategies and talent and performance managements for your region. You'll work shoulder to shoulder with a business partner through leading, seizing opportunities, and driving Starbucks priorities. You'll do some reporting and leverage data and insights to assess and drive action to elevate the customer and partner experiences. Now, they are looking for people who have advanced experience in consulting or working with senior leadership on design and development and execution of human resource strategies and initiatives, including change management, training, development, staffing, planning, all of those types of things. So they're really looking for somebody who has leadership and management skills, someone who has worked in human resources before and understands staffing, compensation, vacation benefits, those types of things, and someone who has progressive experience providing human resources management in a high growth environment. All right, if you enjoy me mixing it up and sharing these different job leads so you know what is possible and what is out there, let me know down in the comments below. You can also leave anything specific that you're looking for because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.